also your.
Yeah. I pretty much had the same trade as him, except I didn't move my stop up like he did. So that we had this killer entry AMD. We kicked some day one. I don't know how much he kicked, but then I got down to I kicked 1/3 into this second kick, like a total of 1/3, where he said kick 2. Then I heard I held 2. I'm still in this trade. I kept my original stop below here, and that's the only difference. That's why I'm still in the trade. But I mean, he made money. He gave a little bit back. I don't really get his trailing stop. I get it, put that intraday low in, and kind of made that new low. But I mean, we're all in this one. I'm still in this one. I think it's still fine on the daily chart. But I mean, good trade. He got the kick 1, kick 2 off, and then got stopped out. He probably made money in the trade. Can't be mad.
I think for his stop out, he was probably just going by the 15-minute rule. I think he probably just gapped down. He put a stop below that low.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, definitely.
Got ticked
Definitely.
out. Next, we can jump into Vishal. First one was the CHRW.
Okay.
Let's see. So he was.
That's a good trade. Very good trade.
Yeah. So he was.
Yeah. Let me just talk about it on the daily chart. Yeah, so I can get it up. All right. So he bought right here. He bought this little breakout right here. What is that? 75 beans. Trail. It gives you this this weekday at highs here. We see the 8-day simple moving average come, and he got stopped out at this little area right here. It's a great trade. You couldn't have traded this name better, actually. Great trade. Very, very good.
And that was okay. So that was it for the member good trades.